I've been driving around trying to get through here, and once again, impassable. This is crazy. So this is 76. That's the Wolf River down there, and it's completely over the road all the way there. Like I'm kind of getting to the point where I don't know where to go to get around. This is pretty freaking bad. All right, now this is Highway M, and yeah, as far as you can see, the water is over the road all the way. Well, this is becoming a fun event. Dude, this is horrible. Alright, this is on 76. You can see the water is kind of messed up the side of the road here. It's pretty bad all over. I don't know if it actually got over the road here. I don't think so, but yeah, it's extremely high. And 76 is closed off like pretty much everywhere you go. Yeah, this is very historical moments right now. It's just hard to believe. I mean, I never would have imagined that this would have ever happened. Like, who would have thought? It's like a lake everywhere. And then this guy's house, luckily, above just enough, but I don't know about his basement. Like, man, it's just nuts. So I might have to go all the way back to Clintonville for me to get out of here. Because all New London's closed off. You can't really even get through that area. So yeah, this is turning out to be a long detour.